Hello everyone, my name is Sangeta Sree. I am first year PGDM student of Rajalakshmi School of Business. In this presentation, I am going to explain about the decision making process with a relevant case. This presentation's agenda will be what is the decision making, steps in decision making, and a case scenario and conclusions. What is decision making? Decision making is the process of choosing the best courses of action from multiple alternatives to achieve a desired goal or an outcome. It is an essential skill in personal, business, and organizational contexts. The decision making process contains of 8 steps. Step 1. Identification of a problem. Step 2. Identification of a decision criteria. Step 3. Allocation of a weights to criteria. Step 4. Development of alternatives. Step 5. Analysis of alternatives. Step 6 is selection of an alternative. Step 7. Implementation of the alternative. And 8th step is appraisal of the decision making. The case scenario will be choosing a new laptop for the academic and personal use wise. I recently decided to purchase a new laptop to support my academic studies and professional projects. My old laptop is very old, about 5 years. Now it's giving me a lot of trouble in working line. In a critical mood also I can't able to do something. It's suddenly power offing and I can't able to do my project works at the end. I used to borrow my friends, my neighbors laptops to do my work, so I finally decided to buy a laptop. So here how I apply the 8-step decision making process in this laptop scenario. First step is identification of a problem. It means the first step is to recognize and define a problem or opportunity that requires a decision. This involves understanding the issue at hand and its signification. Here the problem is my current laptop was outdated and unable to effectively handle the software application required for my coursework and a personal task. The real problem of this is selecting a new laptop that meets my performance needs and budget constraints and battery qualities, speed, all the things. The new problem to me, which laptop is very good to use. Which laptops gives me at least 2 to 3 years lifelong very good performance. The second step is identification of the decision criteria. Next is determining the criteria that are important in making the decision. These are the factors that will influence the choice, such as the cost, solubilities, and the potential impacts. I consider the key factors such as the processor speed and performance, RAM capacity and the storage type and size, battery life, display qualities, profitability and weight and the price. The third step is allocation of the weight to criteria. The first step is to recognize and define the problem or opportunity that requires a decision. This involves understanding the issue at the hand and the signification. My priority is the fact based on the importance is the performance has to be a high level and the battery life has to be a good one. First, I know all the laptops are going to be equally going to be slow down, but I prefer at least for a minimum maximum it's good one to battery because I can't do all the things wearing charges and everywhere, and probability is very minimum and the price has to be a minimum, not very high and not very low also. I'm not expecting a low. If low means it's profitable to me, but medium only it gives medium price only gives me a best performance, I think. The next one, development of the alternatives. Considering the pros and cons of the each option to see which is best. Here I explore different laptop models from a various brands. Considering options such as the high perform gaming laptops is given my option as like that, but I'm not using that because I'm not going to the game laptops. I'm just need a good performance laptops and ultrabooks with the extend battery life and the 2-in-1 convertible laptops. I think the 2 and 3s will be the great option to me for my academics usage. Next one is the analysis of alternatives. like evaluating each alternative by assessing its strengths and weakness in relation to the decision criteria. This analysis helps in understanding the potential outcome of each option. I compare the shortlist model based on my weighted criteria, review the technical specification and performance benchmarks, reuse reviews and expert opportunity in the retailers, and considering the price warranty option all this time I will choose a laptop for it. This is the main I shortlist for my laptop models based on the all the brands. Your next step is the selection of an alternatives. Like choosing the alternatives that scores the highest based on my analysis. This is the option that best address the problem according to the weighted criteria. After true analyzing, a selected laptop that offers a balance between a high performance and reasonable battery life and profitable all within my budget. Here I mainly concentrate on the high performance and the reasonable battery life. Uh, Within my budget, it's little high, but it's okay to me. I can manage it because I already set my price in very minimum stage, not a maximum. So it's giving me a good thing. Next step is the implementation of the alternative. Put the chosen alternative into action. Like this involves developing a implementation plan and ensuring that the necessary resources are allocated. Like I purchased a chosen laptop from a reputable retailers, my friendly retailers, set it up with the necessary software and transfer my data from the old device. The computer science department's shop itself gives me the data transfers from my old device to my new laptop, so it's very useful to me. The next step is the appraisal of decision making, like finally assessing the outcome of the decision to be determined if it's as an effectively resolved the problem. If not, you may need to revise the sum of the earlier steps to identify a better solution. Like after using the new laptop for my academic personal task, I assess its performance and the suitable. Even I have that, another option that if the laptop meet my expectation, I consider the decision successfully. If not, I avoid potential adjustment or future alternatives. Next time I will not do the same thing. I will be improve my knowledge about the laptops and I can go with a better one for the next time. As a conclusion, I can say that define your needs, like clearly identify the specific requirements and the constraints for your new laptops. Evaluating options like assessing various laptop models against your prioritized criteria to determine the best fit. Reflect on the outcome. After using the laptop, evaluate its performance to inform a future purchasing decision. And thank you. Thank you for everyone watching this video and goodbye.